Hey guys, it's Ashley. I just wanted to come at y'all with a kind of brown smoky eye, just something simple. So we're gonna do like a little brown eye, and I'm going to use a very dark purple lipstick. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, keep watching. Alright, so to start off, I've already done my brows and I've already primed my eye. I use e.l.f. primer for my eyelids. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm first going to take Swiss Chocolate by MAC, which is this color right here, and I'm going to apply it with a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. So I'm just applying Swiss Chocolate all over my lid using this fluffy blending brush. This is allowing it to just do a light wash of color and not anything intense. I'm going to go into Handwritten by MAC, and I'm going to apply this to my outer V. Adding a deeper chocolate shade to the outer V will create a little bit more dimension and depth for this look. Now taking that same blending brush, I'm going to take Carbon by MAC, and I'm just going to dab just maybe 2 or 3 times and concentrate that on my outer V. Adding a matte black eyeshadow to the outer V will just help blend this look together. So you see that it's starting to take on the same appearance as this eye. Normally I use All That Glitters as my highlight, but today I just wanted to do something a little subtle, nothing too fancy. So I'm going to use Sable by MAC, and I'm going to apply that up underneath my brow bone. I like the fluffiness of it, so it doesn't really give off a lot of color because I don't want it to be boom, brow bone highlight. Now I'm going to go in with my gel liner. This is Maybelline's New York Eye Studio, and it is in Blackest Black gel liner. Winged eyeliner is just another way to add a little bit of oomph to a look. But this winged eyeliner, it ain't no joke. So these folks is talking about you just do this, this, and this. No. Practice, practice, practice is what you need to do. Went in and took a fluffy blending brush with a little bit more black, and then just kind of applied it a little bit over that gel liner. You can get a clean fluffy brush and then just go over all of those harsh lines in windshield wiper motions, and just, like I said, blend out any harsh lines that you see. You don't want it to look harsh because this look is something that you could wear every day. So you don't want to have line, highlight. That's not, no. To apply mascara to my upper lashes, I'm using the CoverGirl Lash Flash Bar. If you want to make it look like your lashes ain't itty bitty 1-inch centimeter long, then this is the way to go. Alright, so going back into that gel liner, I'm going to line my waterline. To take a little bit of that Carbon, and I'm just going to smudge it out just a little bit, just kind of so it's not harsh under there as well. Smudging the black underneath the lash line gives the look a little bit more depth as well. Now I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. Alright, so I'm back. My battery decided to die on my camera, so, you know, while I was just letting time pass, I ate some Girl Scout cookies. Sue me. But I'm gonna finish up my foundation now. Alright, so once again, I'm just using circular motions and blending out my foundation all over my face, making sure to apply it along my jawline and my neck. Now I'm going to take MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in NC50 and just apply a little bit of this up underneath both of my eyes. So now I'm going to set everything with my Studio Fix powder. Not really trying to highlight today, just something really neutral. And just buffing this into my skin. Making sure to go down the neck. The Studio Fix powder provides a very matte finish, which I do prefer over a dewy look because I do live in Florida, so I'm not trying to look too greasy at all times. So now onto the fun part of this tutorial, I guess. Just a little bit of VAMP. A little bit of VAMP. I'm going to use Fever Blush. Awesome color for women of color. I'm talking about amazing. So now I'm just taking a blush brush and applying Fever all over my cheeks. And this color is very pigmented. I'm talking about one tap and it comes out like you put on a whole bunch of blush. But one simple trick is to take your foundation brush and just brush over that. Fever. For real. I'm going to take my CoverGirl lip liner in Sophisticated, line my lips, and then apply a Kate Moss lipstick in number 4. And then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Just like I said, a little bit of VAMP. It's a very dreary day outside, so I just wanted, I guess this was my inspiration. If you don't want to go too dark, you can always use Revlon's Violet Frenzy. Swatch it for you. And that is a good alternative. But I hope you all enjoyed this look. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.